Felt like dying here, but I still wanna live. I look so stupid now that I'm afraid of it. And if you had to give up all the words you wrote, would you still hate yourself? Would you still wanna choke? Apologies, you say, they are so meaningless. I am so meaningless, I can't believe that I exist. The sky was bluer than all the songs I wrote for you. It's not that I'm depressed, I just don't know what to do. Turned on the radio, I heard the words you said. I guess you didn't know cliches replay inside your head. I still accept my subjects